use overviews in FarmManager. Starting from the main screen of FarmManager, make sure Controls Units is selected in the left icon bar. Then press Overviews. Next, click on the desired control in the farm structure or in the device structure shown right of the icon bar. Available overviews for that specific type of control will be shown in the list box below. Click on one of the presented overviews and the corresponding overview will show on the screen. Depending on the specific overview, the overview can present information of a control in different ways. Menu structure. An overview can have a menu structure of its own, which can be navigated through by pressing the different menu buttons. Each menu button will start an underlying overview with its own features. Tables. A table view presents information in rows and columns, which can be scrolled through if more information is available than it fits on the screen. Tables allow you to modify data by selecting the appropriate fields and modifying the data. Graphs. Some information will be presented as a graph for easy viewing. Graphical representations. An overview can show a graphical representation, for example, of the layout of your house with the installed equipment and the real-time status of your business. In such an overview, icons are used in combination with specific real-time information directly from your controls. Combinations of different features demonstrated can also be combined in one overview.